Okay, so in this video, we'll be seeing how to solve the problems of quadratic equation by using two different methods. Till now we used the factorization. Now we are going to use formula method. After some minutes, I'll be showing you one more method, completing square method. Right? That's how in this video only both. Okay? So, what the formula for getting this answer? Formula to find out roots is this one. This is the formula to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation. Right? Clear? In this, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. That we'll see in tomorrow's class, where we'll discuss about the nature of the roots. Right? If possible today or else tomorrow. Okay? Now, see, let this is be equation number 1. Now, compare equation 1 with ax square plus bx plus c. This is the general quadratic equation. How will write in general? Ax square plus bx plus c. So after comparing, you see, x square coefficient is a. What is x square coefficient? 5. So therefore, a is equal to 5. X coefficient b. What is x coefficient? Minus 6. So b is equal to minus 6. Constant is c. What is constant? So c is equal to minus 2. We got a, we got b, we got c. Simply substitute and find out. Clear with this? Right. So it's very easy and straightforward. So, see, I am writing x because my equation is in terms of x. If my equation will be in terms of y, then I will be writing here y. Clear? Suppose, here if we get y, look at here. If I get y here, then I should write y here also. Getting my point? So in which term the equation is given, that letter you should write here. Right now it is x. So I am writing simply x. Minus b. B value how much? Minus 6. Be careful. This minus is from formula. This minus is from quotient. Getting with this? So here you write minus 6. Plus or minus under root b square. B value how much? Minus 6. Whole square. 4ac. A value how much? 5. C value how much? Minus 2. Whole divided by 2a. 2 into a. A value how much? 5. Now we should solve this. Minus into minus, plus. So this is 6. Plus or minus. Minus 36 whole square. 36. Minus into minus, plus. 4 5 are 20. 20 into 2, 40. So this is 40. Whole divided by 2 into 5, 10. So 6 plus or minus under root 76 by 10. Under root 76 will have any perfect square? No. 81, 9 is 81. 8 is 64, but 76 is not going to be a perfect square. So leave it as it is. X is equal to 6 plus under root 76 by 10 you write. Right. And next time what you do? 6 minus under root 76 by 10 you write. Clear? Once you write plus, next time you write minus. If you want, you can write under root 76 prime factorization value. Let's see in rough column. So we'll get how much? Under root 76 if I want, I can write like this. See? 2 to the 4. I can write 4 into 19 now. So I can write it as under root 4 into 19. So I'll remove this. After some time I'll write new step here. So under root 4 you write separately. Under root 19 you write separately. By 10. So x is equal to 6 plus or minus. Under root 4 value how much? 2. 2 under root 19 by 10. Getting? So under root 76 I wrote as 2 under root 19. Clear? We cannot do anything further than that. Now, therefore x is equal to 2 under root 19 by 2. Once you write plus, next time you write minus. Not 2 by 10. Okay? If you want further some more things you can do. See here, this much clear? If necessary, you can take common also. 2 common now. From this 6, 2 came out. So 3 left out. 2 came out, so only under root 19 left out. Whole divided by 10. Here also. 3 minus under root 19 by 10. 2 ones are 2 fives are. 2 ones are 2 fives are. So overall 3 under root 19 by 5. 3 minus under root 19 by 5. Getting with this point everyone? You can take common or else you can stop here also. Doesn't matter. If you want you can take common ultimately. Got with this point? Right? Most probably you take common. 2-3 step will increase. Will be good to get the good marks. Clear with this point? Observe for 2 minutes everyone.
Sir, factorization room is also this answer will become.
Same answer will get. What finally after taking common will get na? That answer will get while doing factorization. Right? Observe carefully. Okay, done. Now listen one more question of same formula method. X square plus 4x minus 4. Now look at here everyone. Solve this given quadratic equation by using formula method. Again the first step, compare given equation with ax square plus bx plus c. Now what is ax square plus bx plus c? General equation, right, of quadratic equation. So, what is the x square coefficient here? A. What is the x square coefficient here? Nothing means 1. So therefore, A value how much? 1. What is the x coefficient? B. Here? 4. So B is equal to? What is constant? C. Here? So, C is equal to -4. So now, we know formula is minus b plus or minus under root b square minus. This formula we should use to find out roots. Right. So x minus b value how much? 4. Under root b square, b value 4, so 4 square. 4ac, a value 1, c value -4, whole divided by 2 into a value 1. -4 plus or minus 4 square 16, minus into minus plus 4 into 4 16 into 1 same number, whole divided by 2. So this is -4 plus or minus 16 plus 16 32. So this I can write like this. 32 can be written as 16 into 2 by 2. -4 plus or minus under root 16 separate, under root 2 you write separately. 32 can be written as 16 into 2. I am writing them separately now. Right. Under root 16 value how much? 4. Root 2 by 2. If I want, I can take common here also, or we can take in next step. Anywhere you do, right? After separating you take common, or before separating you take common, doesn't matter. Final answer will be same. So, from this I am taking 4, from this also I am taking 4. So what will be left out? -1. Or else what we do, we'll take out only 2, because in denominator we have only 2 now. Right? So we'll take only 2 only. From 4, 2 came out. So what left out? 2 left out. From 4, 2 came out. What left out? Whole divided by 2. This 2 cancel. -2 plus or minus 2 under root 2. Right. Now we can separate. X is equal to -2 plus 2 root 2. And one more. X is equal to -2 minus 2 root 2. Once you write plus, next time you write minus. These two are the roots. Clear with this point, everyone? Right? So therefore, you write that sentence, whatever I wrote in the last video. -2 plus 2 root 2, 2. -2 minus 2 root 2 are the roots of the given equations. Right? If you want something more, we can do, let's see. Because all are 2, this is clear. Let us try to simplify a little bit. I think it's possible. 2 is coming out now. So let us see a little bit more details. 2 also take common. What we get? -1 plus root 2 will remain, however, root 2 is not going to eliminate. So leave it. That only will write. If suppose root 2 is going to be eliminated, you can try to eliminate it. It's not possible, leave it. Okay? So we cannot eliminate root 2 by any means. So that's why we are leaving it as it is. अगर root 2 हटने के chances रहते तो कोशिश करना कि उसे निकाल दिया जाए. Right? Okay, clear up to this? Up to it for 2 minutes. Root 2 into root 2, in that way also you can do. Right? You can stop here if you want. This 2 you change into root 2 into root 2. And root 2 you take common. Okay? That is also correct. This is also correct. Yeah, observe it. Okay, clear everyone? Understood? Right? Simply compare, take out ABC, substitute and simplify after that. Yes, so now again example 6. Now we'll be doing by using completing square method. Right? Two methods clear till now?
Yes.
Factorization, formula method. This is the last method to solve the quadratic equations as per our syllabus. Many more are there, but as per our syllabus, this is the last one. After this, in tomorrow's class, we'll see nature of the roots and word questions. Once nature of the roots complete, all the basic concept will finish. Then we'll go with the word problems, right? Okay, look at this very carefully, everyone. Completing square method. This is the most complicated for some student. First, here what you should do, whatever the, okay, let us write it as equation 1. Whatever the A is there, you should divide whole equation with A. Right? But before doing that, what you do, send a constant on right side. -2 will become +2. So first step what you will do, send constant on right side. You can do this in next step also, doesn't matter, but you do first only. Constant is sent on right side. After sending constant, you see what is the A value? 5 now. This is A only na? AX square plus BX plus C. So complete equation you divide with 5. Whatever number will be here, that number you have to divide with all the equation. Clear? Complete equation you have to divide with that 5. Okay? Divide above equation with 5. Okay, everyone? So that number is, this should be the given number. Here if it is 7, you divide with 7. Right, then if I divide with 5, let's see what happens. 5x square minus 6x by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Now, this 5 belongs to both, na? I can write actually like this, only for information I wrote in details. We can write directly this here only. This 5 belongs to both. So write them separately. Here 2 by 5. 5 get cancelled. So we left out with x square minus 6x by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. Till here clear? Observe carefully. It's the most complicated method. Right. Okay, first observe this much for a minute. Everyone.
Sir, why only A, why not B? Why only A, why not B? A का each value लेना होगा sir.
क्योंकि अभी जो फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे ना नेक्स्ट वाला a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर या a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर का यूज करेंगे. सो पहला नंबर क्लियर रहा तो वो फॉर्मूला यूज करना इजी रहेगा. राइट, विल कम टू आफ्टर दिस विल यूज दैट. Actually, whatever we are doing, this is actually a derivation for formula method also. Later on, those are interested, for them I'll show you personally, not important for exam. Right, अभी जो हम कर रहे हैं ना, उसको जनरल फॉर्म में करेंगे ना, तो फॉर्मूला मेथड में अभी जो फॉर्मूला लिखा हम लोगों ने, वो फॉर्मूला आएगा. Right, clear? Okay, observe this. Okay, done? Clear everyone? Now, you compare this one, all of you. See this one. X minus y whole square formula. A minus b. I am writing in terms of x minus y. What is the formula? X square plus y square minus 2xy. Right. This only I am writing like this. X square minus 2xy plus y square. I can write it? Yes. Plus y square को पहले ना लिख के लास्ट में लिख रहा हूँ. Now you see, is it matching? X square minus x is there, but can I make it like this? See, we can. Look at very carefully, everyone. X square I am writing as it is. This 6 I am writing 2 into 3 by 5 into x. Can we do it? 3 into 2 into 3? 6. Getting? Why I am bringing 2? Because in this formula I need 2. Right? So I am writing 6 as this in this form. Clear? Now, same thing, see. Okay, let it be this step like this only. Next step we'll use. So I can do like this. 6 I am writing as 2 into 3. So 2 I wrote separately, 3 by 5 I wrote separately, x I wrote separately. All of them are in multiplication. That means this and this are same. Right side, 2 by 5 keep as it is. Now, in the next step what I'll do, actually this is only for details explanation I am using this step. I am interchanging. Three by 5 I am writing here, x I am writing here. Interchanging their position just to make you understand it. Now you see, student, x square we got it, 2 we got, x we got. So what is our y? Our y is 3 by 5 ना? 2 के जगह 2 आ गया, x के जगह x आ गया, तो y कौन हो गया? 3 by 5 हमारा y बन जाएगा अभी. Right. So, see, you got this, you got this. Do we have this? No. We have y square here? No. So, we should add y square on both sides. So, what is our y now? 3 by 5. Here, y is equal to 3 by 5. So, if I want to use this as this formula, I need y square now. So, that's why I will add y square now. Add 3 by 5 whole square on both sides. Getting idea here, everyone? On both sides I am adding 3 by 5 whole square because I should add y square. My y is 3 by 5. That's why I am adding 3 by 5 whole square. Right. So, x square 2x 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 whole square. I added here, so here also I should add 3 by 5 whole square. Both sides we have to add like this. Now, okay, this much clear, everyone? What I did, y square I have added. Watch it for a minute. Watch it that much. Clear? Right? So now compare this. X square minus 2xy plus y square. So this is matching with this. So I can write it in this form now. X minus y whole square. So x is x only, y is 3 by 5. So this all thing I wrote as x minus y whole square. Understood? This now I have converted in this form. To do this, we have to do this all to get this step. Is it clear, everyone? Right? ये step लाने के लिए सब करना पड़ेगा हमें. Got with this? या पता नहीं किसने बनाया ये mathematics. ऐसे लग रहा है किसी को? Right? Then you are in a very wrong way. ये कुछ भी नहीं है, बहुत सारे some equations will be of, like suppose if I take a board of this 2-3 wall size, that many big equations will be there. Getting? Right, some equations will proceed till 10-12 pages if you write front back completely. Then if you get headache with this much, then how you do those all, sir? Clear? Okay, so after this clear, why we did this all? To get into this form. Now right side, you add and see what we get. 2 by 5, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. So we'll simplify this. 5 and 25 LCM will be how much? 25 only. Right, clear? 2, empty bracket, 9, empty bracket, 5 double 25 comes 5 times, 25 double 25 comes 1 time. 2 5s are 10, 9 1s are 9 by 25. Now this is 19 by 25. So we got finally this much. But we need only x value. That's what the root meaning is. Right? So still we not completed. This is clear, everyone?
Yes.
Simply I opened the bracket, square I did LCM, and I got finally this step. Now see, now what I do, this all steps clear? Already we discussed it. Today after going home again, you check it out. Right, example number 6. Actually this question not given in exercises. They gave in examples, but in board exam they will give in exam also. So don't think that it's not given in exercise, so will not be asked in exam. They will ask in exam again. Especially this method may come for 8 marks. Formula method will come for 2 marks. Factorization method may come for 4 marks. Completing square method may come for 8 marks. Why? Because it's a lengthy one. Okay? Right? All will give same answer, but this method is lengthy. Now, what I'm doing, there, square I'll send there. So it will become square root now. X minus 3 by 5, 19 by 25 square root. Square comes here, becomes square root. Right. Next, x minus 3 by 5, this I can write under root 19 by 5 now. Because under root 25 value will be 5 only. Right. So let us take one more step for your clarity. Square root I am separating. So after separating square root I will get like this. Under root 19 will be under root 19 only. Under root 25 will be 5. Next, C student. Whenever square you are sending now, so what you do, you write plus or minus in quadratic equation chapter only. Not in other, but in this you should do plus or minus. Now 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 goes there, becomes this will become plus 3 by 5. So we got two values now. So therefore, we can do one more step if we want. LCM. LCM of both will be 5. So 3 plus or minus under root 19 by 5. So finally now x is equal to 3 plus 19 by under root 19 by 5. 3 minus under root 19 by 5. Getting idea? Once you write plus, once you write minus. This and formula method both are going to give you exactly same type of answer. Getting with this point everyone? From this I will show you how to derive the formula. But only for those students who will ask personally, those are interested. Clear with this point all of you? Right, so clear what we done here? Square sending on right side. So whenever square goes to right side, you must write plus or minus in quadratic equation. Right. So because of that, one will be plus, one will be with minus. Right. So you get two roots. Got the idea? Observe for a while everyone. So we'll end up here. Observe for 2 minutes.